Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add and style your text on Canva, also known as insert text on Canva. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, wanna go to this website called canva.com, the official website of Canva, and log in into your account. Once you do that, you can go on presentation or any other, type of project you want to open. I want to open a presentation type, project, so I'm going to go on presentation. And once your page loads up completely or your project loads up completely, at the side you can see the little text option. You want to click on text. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on where it says add a text box. And a text box will be added over here. Now over here you can write whatever you want inside this. So I'm going to write, my name is Messi, I am good. I'm just going to write a random text over here, alright? But you can write whatever you want. Now you have just added text. Now what you can do is you can style this on any format you want. You can click on this to choose the color of your text over here like this. And if you want to change the formatting of the text, you can click on this as well. You have all these options to play around with, as you guys can see. So you can do whatever you want. You can change the font as well, whichever you want. So as you guys can see, I've just changed my font like this. So as you guys can see, it's really easy. So if you want to, style your text, what you can do is just click on the text again and go on the text again. And over here, scroll a bit down and you can choose whichever style you want. Let's say I want this style. I can click on this and my text will look just like this over here. Now I can just write whatever thing I want inside this. Messy like this, as you guys can see. And I can delete my older text over here. Click on it, click on this delete. So yeah, that's how you guys can play around with text on Canva. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.